So in today's project, what I'm going to be doing is I have this 3D printed plastic part. This forms the cushion that goes at the bottom of the leg of a stand or something like that. And this is specially made for a Hitachi miter table, miter saw stand. And one of the rubber patties that go at the bottom of the feet is missing. So I was able to 3D print it, but it's plastic and so it's PLA. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying a coat of rubber on this hemispherical section at the top here. And to do that, I'm going to use Plasti Dip from Harbor Freight and apply a coat of plastic on top of the semicircular portion here or hemispherical portion here by dipping it in and taking out and letting it dry on the stand. So that's the idea, and here's how I'm going to do it. So first things first, I'm going to open this. Doesn't look like it needs anything special. I've got a little piece of cardboard in here. Technically, you're supposed to wear gloves, but I'm not going to be touching anything, and so I think I can get away with it. I still have a little piece of this black goop on it. The whole idea is to dip about 1 inch per second. So this is, let me see. It says insert item 1 inch every 5 seconds and withdraw at the same pace. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be slowly dipping it in. This is how it looks on the inside. It's just that black stuff. It's a rubberized chemical. I dip it in slowly. And there you have it. So what I'm going to do is allow that to drip a little bit. That's how it looks. I mean, there's a good amount of coating on it, and there's a droplet there. I don't know if that's going to drop, or what I'm going to do is just gently turn it around so that it'll reorganize itself. And I think that works better than trying to shake it off. I'm going to let it here to dry. And that's that. And I'm going to put the cover back. And that's how you rubber coat your plastic part. That's how the finished product looks. I'm going to let it dry. Hope you enjoyed this demonstration.